Picture this, plain tee jeans sneakers, cute but safe. Now add one bold blazer, metallic boots, loud bag. Boom, before and after in 5 seconds. That's the power of a statement piece. A statement piece is the one thing in your outfit that does the talking. It grabs attention, sets the vibe, and makes basics look intentional. Vibrant blazer, chunky earrings, patterned pants, sculptural bag, sleek ponytail, and a red lip. And it doesn't have to be expensive. Style beats price every time. Here's why I love it. It adds character and confidence. People read your aesthetic without you explaining. It makes basics look styled, tee jeans, bold jacket. It creates balance, draw eyes where you want them. It saves time. One standout piece pulls everything together. And on camera, it pops. Thumbnails, reels. How to pick yours? Fast. Identify your signature vibe. Minimal vintage street glam. Prioritize quality and fit. Leather, denim, metal. Highlight one main element. If the jacket is loud, keep the rest neutral. Play with contrast. Neon bag, plus beige outfit, textured blazer, plus silk dress. Match the season. Summer sunglasses, bright bags, fall boots, textured coats, oversized knits. Neat ideas. Top 10 go-tos. Vibrant blazers, chunky jewelry, bold handbags, statement shoes, unique outerwear, patterned bottoms, trendy sunglasses, scarves and hats, belts with bold buckles, makeup or hair as the piece. Styling it right is about balance. Stick to neutrals around your hero item. Limit highlights to one. Keep the rest simple, clean lines, minimal makeup, or flip it. Simple outfit, bold lip. Most important, wear it like you meant it. If you create content, statement pieces are your best friend. Thumbnails, clicky. Transformations, obvious tutorials, bingeable. One blazer, 5 outfits practically writes itself. Final thought. You don't need a massive wardrobe. You need one piece that tells your story. So before you head out, ask, what's my statement today? Because sometimes one piece changes everything.